The daily cooking of Hainanese people. Many people say that the supermarket is not angry. Buy 2 boxes and go back to make scallion chicken. Broccoli is fresh. Buy 2 more tomatoes to dip in sugar. A day's salary is spent like this. I have bought this breed of chicken many times in the supermarket. Clean it up here. The fat oil is torn off and used to cook chicken fat rice. Steam over high heat for 25 minutes. I don't know if it's true or not. Tomato. Put some sugar and mix it and you can eat it. How about some squid eggs at home? Cut it out. Okay, take a pat of 2 more garlic with skin. Get the oil in the pan. Alright. Put some salt and set aside. Chicken again. Add it to cool down. This bowl is chicken soup, breathable and thick. Put some water, it's too oily. Skim some oil. Scallion. A few red onions and garlic. Scallion white cut shallots. Cut some scallions. Drizzle with hot oil. Some salt and soy sauce. Oyster sauce, sugar, stir well. Fragrant. Then come to tear the chicken. Scallion all inside. Mix well. Okay, include. Drooling. Blanch broccoli. Put some oily garlic sauce. Water starch. Garlic full wow. Clear grain. I can eat 3 bowls of this rice. On the backside, let's have a piece of tomato for appetizer first.